Hey, buddy. Why don't you hop back in there and we get a video?
You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's four.
Okay.
Each day I grow
Take a
some
look.
more.
Is it big in
I
there?
like exploring. I'm Caillou.
Is it big in there?
So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With mommy and daddy, I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough. That's when I've had enough.
My goodness gracious.
Fun stuff. I'm Caillou.
Daddy can sit up in here.
Caillou.
Micah,
Caillou.
where are you?
Caillou.
Come on in.
That's me.
Come on in, buddy, old pal.
You can sit up there.
Yeah. And so can Micah. And so can Micah.
You're honest.
Oh, that's beautiful. Keep that tongue in your mouth. I should put this on the internet for people to see you make those funny faces. So how long do you think it took for us to make this?
Huh?
How long do you think it took us to make this fort?
I think 1 hour.
1 hour? Should we make it bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But why?
Can you stand up yet? We should make it tall enough for you to stand up.
I'm tall for you to stand up.
I don't know. It's kind of tall.
I still can't stand up.